The word need is a modal auxiliary. We can use the word need as a modal auxiliary where we can put the statements in the form of interrogative sentences and in negative sentences. This does not reflect any compulsion or necessity as its meaning is, but it frames a statement in a good look, grammatically correct, and work as a model auxiliary. So this is information. This is an information, something different from your track, but you have to know this. Need I go to court today? Need they go on strike? It means need I go to court today? Means I am something puzzled with any situation or circumstances where I am seeking something judgment on the situation or on the uh, behalf of judiciary. So I am planning to move out to court. So I can say this all things in one line. Need I go to court today? Need they go on strike? Means the situation has been hazardous and we have to stop working or we have to protest now. So we are coming on an conclusion and you are making a statement for yourself or someone else who is in front of you. Then this is the way, this is the method to speak something. Need they go on strike? In the frame of negative sentence, we use like this. Need not we go to school on Sundays? Need not we go to school on Sundays? Need not we go to market on Monday? So lack of necessity or compulsion is there. So we will use need not. Need not to go outside, it's raining today. Need not go to outside, it's raining today. So now your turn. Please try to make one or two statements on the behalf of need not, where lack of necessity or compulsion is there. Only one or two statements. Are you comfortable? Please speak out.
Yes, I can make a sentence. Need not need not go at market every day.
Yes. Need not we
And
go to market every day. And the next,
no, we need not.
no,
We
need
need not.
not. Please listen. Need not will be at the first place. After that, the subject will be there. Then you have to use verb with to, and the rest portion of the sentence will followed by need not we go to market after the statement. So please make statement.